Good morning. We are going to discuss a very simple problem recently asked in Accenture. It is about sports administration. Each team, the sports administration has to create a team, teams. Each team should consist of 4 players. At least one player must be a fresher in each team, and at least one player must be experienced in each of the teams. We have a pool of M freshers and N experienced. How many maximum teams we can perform? How many teams we can make which satisfy the above two rules? Each team should have at least 4 players. At least one player in each team must be a fresher, and one player must be experienced. So, can you tell me what are the maximum teams we can make, which is nothing but minimum of these two, right? And total number of players, if divided by 4, okay, rounded, not rounded, say integer part of this division is the number of teams, we can make. So whichever is minimum. Now, let us read number of players available from experienced lot and from freshers lot. How do you read it? The space, separated numbers. We read this as a string. The method we use is next line. And then we split it at space. And then we create an integer array. Say numbers, whose size equal to the number of inputs. Now convert each of the integers. Let us do one thing. Instead of calling length parameter every time, take n or take size. The size is inputs dot length. Then this is n. Okay. Now I equal to 0, I less than n, I is next I, you convert each of the strings into integer by using integer class, parse int method, parse int method, input is ith input. Okay. Actually, this is not required. We know that there are only two inputs. Say m is equal to first input integer dot parse int zeroth input, whereas n is call integer class, use integer class. It has a static method by name parse int. This is inputs one. The first one is number of freshers. Number of freshers. And this is number of experienced. Number of experienced. Now, number of teams that can be formed is equal to minimum of m and n okay, and m plus n by 4. 4 is the size of the team. Now minimum of these two, whichever is minimum. First is minimum of these two. Second is total number of players by size of the team. Now print number of teams. Print number of teams. That's it. Let us run it. So if there are 5 freshers and 3 experienced people, how many teams you can make? Minimum of these two is 3, and then 5 plus 3 by 4 is 2. Minimum of 3 and 2 is 2. Answer is 2. Okay. Let us run one more time. Say 8 and 6. So we cannot make more than 6 teams. At the same time, 14 plus by 4 is 3. We can make only 3 teams, right? That's it. Hope you understand it. Thanks for watching.